In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic QR code in Canva using a URL redirect. Whether you're managing marketing campaigns, sharing event information, or simply want a streamlined way to direct your audience to online content, dynamic QR codes are a versatile and efficient solution. They allow you to update the destination URL at any time without reprinting your materials, making them perfect for both digital and physical designs. Let's dive right in. First, open Canva and launch your project. This could be a flyer, poster, social media graphic, or any design you want to enhance with a QR code. Once your project is opened, navigate to the top right corner of your screen and click the Share button. This menu provides various export and sharing options. Next, click See All at the bottom to reveal Canva's additional features. Among these, you'll find QR code. Go ahead and click it. This powerful tool allows you to generate a QR code directly within Canva without using any third-party app. Now, grab the URL you want your QR code to redirect to. This could be your website, a landing page, or any online resource you want people to access. Copy the URL, return to Canva, and paste it into the QR code field. Once pasted, click Generate QR Code. Canva will instantly convert your URL into a scannable QR code that you can embed into your design. One of the great features of dynamic QR codes is flexibility. If you ever need to change the destination, simply update the URL and your existing QR code will continue to work without needing a new print. Finally, you can resize and position your QR code within your design, ensuring it fits seamlessly with your visuals. Whether it's a flyer, poster, or digital graphic, this interactive element enables viewers to instantly connect with your content using a simple scan. And that's it. You've successfully created a dynamic QR code in Canva. It's a simple, powerful way to make your designs interactive and professional, saving time while keeping your content flexible. Try this on your next project to see how easy and effective it can be. Thanks for watching, and happy designing with Canva.